morning students, welcome back to the English online classes of class 2. Students, today we will revise chapter 7 from English grammar, noun, singular or and plural. Look at the following examples. This is a cat and these are cats. When we have to write for one thing, then we have to use this is, and when there are more than one, then we have to write these are. Cat, cats. Cat is the singular form and cats is the plural form of the cat. In the first sentence, the word cat stands for only one animal, and in the second sentence, cat stands for more than one animal. So when we have to use more than one animal, that is the plural form. So cat stands for the singular noun or number, and cat stands for plural noun or number. Remember, a noun that stands for only one person, one place, thing, animal, bird, insects or thing is said to be its singular number. And when a noun that stands for more than one person, place, animal, birds, things or insects, so it is said to be its plural number, singular number or plural number. So let's divide some singular and plural forms. Singular, a car, two cars, a toy, three toys. So car and toy, that is a singular form, and cars and toys are the plural form. So let's do some rules form of the plural. There are 8 rules of the plural. So come to the rule number 1. We generally make singular noun plural by adding s. Look here. Bee, bees. Dog, dogs. Pen, pens. Star, stars. House, houses. Cow, cows. So students, there is one bee, so bees. That is a singular form and that is a plural form. So come to the next. Rule number 2. When last letter of the singular noun are ch or sh or x, s, double s, ch, sh or x, then we have to add es to the number. A double s as is. Bench, ch, benches. Brush, sh, brushes. Box, x, boxes. Dress, double s, dresses. Fox, x, foxes. Bush, sh, bushes. Watch, ch, watches. So look here the numbers double s, ch, sh, x, double s, x, sh or ch. When the last letters with these letters, so we have to add es to make the plural form. Bus, buses. Come to the rule number 3. Singular noun that have consonant before y. Y and the consonant is L. Y consonant is B. Y consonant is P. Y consonant is L. Y consonant is M. When the consonant is before Y, so we have to drop Y, and in the place of Y we have to add ES. Look here. Firstly I with the sound of Y and add ES. Butterfly. Then drop Y and add IES. One butterfly and more than one butterflies. One baby, more than one babies. One puppy, more than one puppies. One fly, more than one flies. Student, look here. Drop Y and add IES. I with the sound of Y and add ES. Pony, ponies. PONIES. Come to the rule number 4. If singular noun has vowel before y, in the In the previous rule, we have to recognize before y there is a consonant, and in this rule, before y there is a vowel o, e, e. So a, e, I, o, u. There are 5 vowels, and from them there are 2 vowels o or e. So when y before y there is a vowel, then we have to use only s, and no need to drop y. With y we have to add only s. Y, wise. Twice. Donkey, donkeys. Key, keys. Monkey, monkeys. No need to drop y if the previous letter is a vowel. Come to the rule number 5. Some singular noun ending with o form their plural by adding e. Mango, o, the last letter is o. Potato, the last letter is o. Mosquito, the last letter is o. Tomato, the last letter is o. Hero, the last letter is o. When the last letter is o, then we have to add es. One mango, more than one mangoes. One potato, then more than one potatoes. One mosquito, then 2 mosquitoes. One tomato, then 3 tomatoes. One hero, then 2 heroes. So in this rule we have only add es with the last letter o. Come to the next rule, rule number 6. Singular noun ending with f or fe. F or fe. The last letter f or fe. Then we have to change f or fe. We have to drop f or fe and add ves. For example, leaf, leaf. One leaf. When we have to make the plural form of leaf, then drop f, and in the place of f we have to add is ves, leaves. Lea, drop f and ves, leaves. Knife, knives. Wolf, wolves. Calf, calves. Thief, thieves. So drop f or fe and add ves. Come to the rule number 7. Some singular nouns form their plural by changes inside the vowel. A, O, A, double O, double O, double O. So we have to change the vowels. Look here, M-A and man, one man, and more than men, M-E-N. One woman and more than one woman. One tooth, more than one teeth. One foot, 2 feet. One goose and 2 geese. With the double O on the places we have to use double E. Some singular nouns do not change in their plurals. They remain same as singular. Deer, deer. If one deer or 2 deer, the same. Sheep, sheep. Fish, fish. Hare, hare. Aircraft, aircraft. So these words are same in the singular or plural form. Now let's do some exercise. Twice, twice. Bat, bats. Chef. The last letter is F, so we have to drop F and add VES. Piano. So O, before O there is a F consonant, so we have to add only S. Sky, Y. So drop Y and we have to add IES. Girl, girls. Bench, CH. The last letters are CH, so we have to add ES. Man. So there is a change of vowel A in E. Shelf. The last letter is F, so we have to drop F and add VES. Write a singular form of the given words. Calves. So VES, so in the place of VES we have to hear F. Oranges, one orange. Feet, one foot. Cages, one cage. Roofs, one roof. Armies, one army. Drop the IES in the place of Y. Apples, one apple. Elephants, one elephant. Woman, you have to change the vowel E into the A. So students, you have to revise this exercise and complete in your book and read the chapter thoroughly with the help of the video. Thank you and have a nice day.